In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions commonly asked by TCS recruiters. Each question is designed to assess various skills and knowledge areas essential for potential candidates. We will also provide detailed answers and tips to help you prepare effectively for your TCS interview. This guide aims to enhance your confidence and improve your chances of success. 1. Tell me something about yourself. I am a passionate software developer with a strong foundation in computer science. I completed my degree with a focus on software engineering and have engaged in various projects that honed my coding and problem-solving skills. I enjoy working collaboratively in teams and thrive in challenging environments that push me to learn and grow. In my free time, I contribute to open-source projects, which allows me to stay updated with the latest technologies and practices. My enthusiasm for coding drives me to continuously improve and innovate in my work. 2. What have you done after graduation, post-graduation? After graduation, I took on an internship at a tech startup, where I worked on developing software solutions for clients. This experience allowed me to apply my theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. I also enrolled in online courses to enhance my programming skills, focusing on languages like Python and Java. Additionally, I participated in hackathons, which helped me collaborate with diverse teams and solve real-world problems in a competitive environment. I have been actively engaging with professional networks, attending workshops, and keeping up with the latest industry trends to ensure continuous growth in my career. 3. What are your strengths and weaknesses? One of my key strengths is my ability to adapt quickly to new situations and challenges. I thrive in environments that require innovative thinking and problem-solving. My attention to detail ensures that I deliver high-quality work consistently. As for weaknesses, I tend to be a perfectionist, which sometimes leads me to spend more time on tasks than necessary. I recognize this tendency and have been working on setting more realistic deadlines for myself. This approach helps me maintain quality while also being efficient and meeting project timelines. 4. Why do you want to join TCS? I am excited about the opportunity to join TCS because of its reputation as a leader in the IT services industry and its commitment to innovation. TCS's diverse portfolio allows for growth and learning across various domains, which aligns perfectly with my career aspirations. I admire TCS's focus on employee development and its initiatives to promote a healthy work-life balance. Being part of a global team that values collaboration and creativity would be a tremendous opportunity for me to contribute my skills while also gaining valuable insights from experienced professionals in a dynamic environment. 5. What do you know about TCS? Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, is a leading global IT services, consulting, and business solutions organization headquartered in Mumbai, India. Established in 1968, TCS is part of the Tata Group, one of India's largest and oldest conglomerates. The company operates in over 46 countries, offering services across various industries, including finance, healthcare, and retail. TCS is recognized for its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. It emphasizes employee development and has received numerous awards for its workplace culture and performance in the IT sector. 6. Are you willing to relocate? Yes, I am willing to relocate. I believe that being open to relocation can provide valuable opportunities for personal and professional growth. It allows me to experience different cultures, adapt to new environments, and collaborate with diverse teams. Relocating also gives me a chance to develop my skills in various settings, which can enhance my adaptability and problem-solving abilities. I view relocation as a positive step in my career, and I am excited about the potential experiences that come with working in different locations. 7. What is your salary expectation? My salary expectation is based on the industry standards for someone with my skills and experience. I have researched the market rates for similar roles within TCS and have found that a range of, insert range, e.g., $60,000 to $70,000, aligns well with my qualifications. However, I am open to discussing this further and am willing to consider other benefits and opportunities for growth within the company. My primary focus is on finding a position that allows me to contribute effectively and grow professionally while being compensated fairly. 8. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? In 5 years, I envision myself advancing within the company, taking on leadership roles where I can contribute to strategic projects and mentor newer team members. I aim to deepen my expertise in my field, ideally becoming a subject matter expert. I am eager to embrace challenges that foster professional growth and work collaboratively across departments. Additionally, I hope to be involved in innovative initiatives that align with the company's goals, ensuring my contributions have a meaningful impact on our success. 9. What do you expect from the company? I expect a collaborative environment where I can grow professionally and personally. Opportunities for skill enhancement through training programs and mentorship are important to me. I look for a culture that values innovation and encourages employees to share their ideas. A supportive team that focuses on achieving common goals will help me thrive. I also appreciate transparency and communication and a clear understanding of my role within the organization. Ultimately, I want to contribute to the company's success while developing my career in a meaningful way. 10. Do you have any questions for me? As I learn more about the company and the role, I would like to know about the team I would be working with. What are the key projects that the team is currently involved in? Additionally, How does TCS support professional development and growth for its employees? I'm also interested in understanding the company culture, especially around collaboration and innovation. Lastly, what do you enjoy most about working here? These insights will help me understand how I can contribute effectively and thrive in the environment. 11. Explain the functionality of a linked list. A linked list is a data structure consisting of nodes, where each node contains data and a reference, or link, to the next node in the sequence. This allows for efficient insertion and deletion of elements, as nodes can be easily added or removed without reallocating memory for the entire structure. Unlike arrays, linked lists do not require contiguous memory, making them flexible in size. They come in various forms, including singly linked lists, where each node points to the next, and doubly linked lists, where nodes have references to both the next and previous nodes. This versatility makes linked lists ideal for dynamic data scenarios. 12. What is the difference between a stack and a queue? A stack and a queue are both abstract data structures used for storing collections of elements, but they operate in different ways. A stack is a last in first out, LIFO, structure, meaning the last element added is the first one to be removed. This is akin to a stack of plates. You take the top plate off first. In contrast, a queue is a first in first out, FIFO, structure, where the first element added is the first one removed. This is similar to a line of people waiting. The first person in line is the first to be served. Both structures have different use cases depending on the requirements of the program. 13. How does garbage collection work in Java? Garbage collection in Java is a process of automatic memory management. It helps to reclaim memory by identifying and disposing of objects that are no longer in use, preventing memory leaks. The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, uses several algorithms for garbage collection, such as mark and sweep, generational collection, and stop and copy. These techniques work by marking objects that are reachable from root references, sweeping away unreachable objects, and compacting memory. This process allows developers to focus on application logic without manually managing memory. 14. Describe your final year project or any significant project you've worked on. My final year project focused on developing a web-based application for managing student attendance using a biometric system. The project aimed to streamline attendance tracking and reduce the manual effort involved. I designed the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while the back end was built with Python and Flask. I integrated a fingerprint scanner for accurate identification. This project not only enhanced my programming skills but also taught me about project management, teamwork, and the importance of user feedback in development. 15. What are the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, OOP? The 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, OOP, are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and the methods that operate on that data within a single unit, typically a class. This restricts direct access to some of the object's components and can prevent unintended interference. Abstraction involves hiding complex implementation details and showing only the essential features of an object, allowing the user to interact with the object without needing to understand its inner workings. Inheritance allows a new class to inherit properties and behaviors from an existing class, promoting code reusability and establishing a hierarchical relationship between classes. Polymorphism enables objects to be treated as instances of their parent class, allowing for methods to be used interchangeably. It can be achieved through method overriding or method overloading, providing flexibility in code usage. 16. Can you explain the concept of normalization in databases? Normalization is a process used in databases to organize data in a way that reduces redundancy and dependency. It involves dividing large tables into smaller, related tables and defining relationships between them. The main goals are to eliminate duplicate data, ensure data integrity, and simplify queries. There are several normal forms, each with specific rules, such as ensuring that each piece of data is stored in only one place. By adhering to these forms, databases can achieve better performance and maintainability, making it easier to manage data efficiently. 17. Write a program to swap 2 numbers without using a third variable. Here's a simple program in Java to swap 2 numbers without using a third variable. Public class swap numbers, public static void main, string, args, int a equals 5, b equals 10, system.out, println, before swapping, a equals plus a plus, b equals plus b. A equals a plus b. Step 1. A now holds the sum of a and b. B equals a, b. Step 2. B is assigned the original value of a. A equals a, b. Step 3. A is assigned the original value of b. System.out, println, after swapping, a equals plus a plus, b equals plus b. In this program, we utilize arithmetic operations to achieve the swap. By adding the 2 numbers first, we store their sum in the first variable. Then, by subtracting the second variable from this sum, we retrieve the original value of the first variable into the second variable. Finally, we subtract the new second variable from the sum to retrieve the original value of the second variable into the first variable. This technique avoids using an additional variable. 18. What is a deadlock, and how can it be avoided? A deadlock occurs when two or more processes are unable to proceed because each is waiting for the other to release a resource. To avoid deadlocks, several strategies can be implemented. One approach is resource allocation graphs, where resources are treated as nodes and processes as edges, allowing for detection of cycles. Another method is the banker's algorithm, which ensures that resources are allocated only if they do not lead to unsafe states. Implementing timeouts for resource requests can also help by forcing processes to release resources after a specified period. 19. Describe a challenging situation you faced and how you handled it. I encountered a significant challenge when I was tasked with leading a project that had a tight deadline and limited resources. The team was demotivated due to previous setbacks, and I needed to uplift their spirits while ensuring we met our objectives. I organized a brainstorming session to gather ideas and encouraged open communication, allowing team members to express their concerns. By delegating tasks based on individual strengths and setting short-term milestones, we created a sense of accomplishment. Ultimately, we successfully delivered the project on time, which strengthened team cohesion and improved morale. 20. How do you prioritize your tasks when working on multiple projects? When juggling multiple projects, I start by listing all tasks and deadlines. I assess their urgency and importance using a priority matrix. This helps me identify which tasks require immediate attention versus those that can wait. I often break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Regular check-ins with team members ensure alignment and allow me to adjust priorities as needed. By staying organized and flexible, I can effectively manage my time and maintain productivity across all projects while ensuring quality outcomes. 21. Give an example of when you worked as part of a team and your role in it. In my university project, we developed a mobile application aimed at improving campus navigation. My role was the team lead, where I coordinated tasks among our 5-member team. I organized regular meetings to track progress and address any challenges we faced. I also took responsibility for the user interface design and ensured that our application was user-friendly. By fostering open communication and collaboration, we successfully delivered the project on time, receiving positive feedback from our professors. This experience taught me the importance of teamwork and effective leadership. 22. What motivates you to perform well at work? I am driven by the desire to achieve personal and professional growth. Setting goals and meeting them gives me a sense of accomplishment. I thrive in environments that challenge me, as they allow me to learn new skills and enhance my knowledge. Collaboration with my team also inspires me. Sharing ideas and contributing to collective success motivates me to put forth my best effort. Recognition from peers and supervisors reinforces my motivation, as it validates my hard work and dedication. Ultimately, making a positive impact in my role is what inspires me daily. 23. Tell me about a time when you had to learn something quickly for a project or task. During my internship, I was assigned a project that required proficiency in a new programming language I had never used before. With a tight deadline approaching, I dedicated my evenings to online tutorials and coding exercises to grasp the fundamentals. I also reached out to colleagues who were experienced in that language for guidance. Within a week, I was able to contribute meaningful code to the project. This experience not only enhanced my technical skills but also taught me the importance of adaptability and seeking help when needed. 24. How do you handle criticism and feedback? Receiving criticism and feedback is an essential part of personal and professional growth. I approach it with an open mind and a willingness to learn. When I receive constructive feedback, I take time to reflect on it and identify areas for improvement. I believe in asking clarifying questions to fully understand the points being made. This helps me implement changes effectively. I also appreciate positive feedback as it reinforces my strengths and encourages me to continue working hard. Embracing feedback has significantly enhanced my skills and adaptability in various work environments. 25. Why should we hire you over other candidates? I bring a unique blend of skills and experiences that set me apart. My strong technical background combined with my passion for continuous learning allows me to adapt quickly and solve problems effectively. I have proven my ability to work collaboratively in teams while also taking initiative on individual projects. My commitment to quality and attention to detail ensure that I deliver high-quality results consistently. I am enthusiastic about contributing to your team's success and believe that my drive and skills align perfectly with the values and goals of your organization. In this video, we've explored the top 25 TCS interview questions and provided insightful answers to help you prepare effectively. Whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced professional, understanding these questions can give you a significant edge in the interview process. Remember to practice your responses and tailor them to your unique experiences. If you found this content helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable insights and tips. Good luck with your TCS interview journey.